Alright, so we got this plate we put on here. And two of these holes are fake. You just put there's only 3 actual slots for it to connect to the case there. But this just screws in for looks. So there's that. These though are 16 in length and calls for 14, so I'm hoping these will work. Let's see. Let's hang this one. Yeah, I think it's too long. Shoot. Well, I'm gonna have to shave off 2 millimeters off the end of that before I can put this on. It is bottoming out, isn't it? Let's try this. Oh, this one goes. This one goes pretty far in. Let's see if I can go further on this one. Ooh, that one's binding. I might need to run a tap through there. Oh yeah. So the threads in this top one are stripped a little bit, so I'm gonna have to run a tap in there, which I don't have on me, but I think we can put this on. I think I can put this on. No one else is here. Look at that. That feels pretty tight.